Reds West is best. Gonna do 11 and 5. We'll do 11 first. Whoa. Broctagon. Alright, we got Azole out of 150. Avery is short. 35 of 99. And a USA Casey Mize out of 99. And your base is Seth Beer and Brady Singer. At a 99, Victor Quezada. Josh Stromont, jersey auto. At a 299. Mika Bello out of 25, 5 of 25. Mika Bello. And Cortez and Heikley. And Luis Medina out of 100. Richard Palacios base. And Matthew Liberatore out of 49 USA. Base and base. Alec Baum, 7 of 10. 7 of 10, I've heard of him. Lindsey Delgado, base auto. And for the Cubs, Cole Roederer, 1 of 50. There is a print line right there. It pretty goes all the way down. You can see it right there. Garcia. Lionel Sanchez out of 75 die cut, and Ryan Jeffers. Base and base, sorry. That and base and base. All your base belongs to us. If it's a Cub, they're underrated. Migsy. He's talking about Cole Roederer. Who's Nunez fighting tonight? Vicky. Victor at a 150. Kale Lansville at a 99. 3 of 5. Oh, that's nice. Royce Lewis. Hat hole, tag, and hat hole. One of 5. Good old Royce Lewis. Base, base. Christian Santana. Chris Shaw for the Giants. 25 of 49. 2-color. Tag in 2 holes. Yep. And Josiah Gray. There's some people that think this guy's a sleeper. Josiah Gray. We've not seen Migsy in that long? Griffin Conine. Out of 75, Lenny Torres Jr. Travis Swaggerty, bat, jersey bat. Base and base. Of 100, Grayson Ginesta. Ryder Green. And Dean Kramer. Spangenberg. And 1/1 print plate. Trent Devo. And Tony Goslin for the Doyers. Trent Devo, Los Angeles. 1/1 print plate. See if I can turn it way down. Thanks again, Jimmy. Let me know if you want to do any more.